straight into the video. So we have started the downloading and the downloading is complete. Kindly go back and check the app and so let me share my screen this again. So we're back here. And don't forget, this is how I check through for what I've downloaded so far. This is the point where I click to check downloads. So this is it. It has downloaded. Now I open it. So we're waiting for it to open. And it's loading. So it's going to open and we'll be able to access our launch and everything. So just give us a minute. So it's still loading. So just like I said, just give us a minute. Let's see how it goes. Or better still, you could come here. Sometimes you could come here to search for your app. Type in your app. Sorry. I guess because of the power, the kind of how heavy Power BI is, this it's quite a lot of load. So we advise that you get a latest system or a system that will be able to carry the power load of Power BI. So come here and I look for Power BI that I just downloaded. Yes, so Power BI is up that I just downloaded. And this is it. Sorry, no web results. This is what I'm looking for. No. Okay. Hold on. So apparently, Power BI is up on my system and it's about to start loading. So this is it. It's coming up, and like I said, because of the way the power, because how heavy the kind of application it is, you have to get a good system that is like up to date to help it. So this is it. It's trying to load up, and like we say, here you have your Power App, and it says up and ready to run. So once it opens, you launch and you have your dashboard and your Power BI set up for your class. Thank you very, very much. And we'll see you in the next video on how to download other applications. Thank you.